Hey everyone, I just wanted to show you my new Gatekeeper builder's kit that I got, and just want to show some of the electronics and parts I'm going to install. Just trying to keep this on budget, like a budget build, just something cheap. A lot of these parts I already had laying around, so so I got this yesterday, and then I'm gonna put I had a Homes Hobby Crawlmaster Sport 12 turn laying around. Hobbywing 1080 laying around. Um, I got this on Amazon Prime Day. It's one of those cheap Amazon servos, 25 kg. Also got the Radiolink 6-channel receiver. Got that on Prime Day. Had the Element Enduro tires and rims laying around from my Enduro. Also bought some 45 weight shock oil. From what I've seen on Facebook, this is kind of what everybody was talking about, kind of the sweet spot. I'm gonna put it's like a 14 turn pinion gear in there, somewhere down there. I can't really see it. That's the lowest I have. The other one I had was it's in my Enduro. I think it's like a 10 tooth or something. Gonna use white lithium grease I had laying around for the transmission gears, and marine grease for the differential and drivetrain. Also going to use my factory team tools that I got for Christmas, and I'm going to use this Ryobi 3.6 volt driver. Actually, I got free from a neighbor, brand new. It was a couple years old, but still in the package. The battery still works, so I'm looking forward to that with my factory team drivers. And then for all the electronics work, if I need to do any trimming of wires, I'm gonna try out this new wire stripper I got from Harbor Freight for a couple, I think it was like $6. Really looking forward to it. Something different. Trying to make this kind of blend between rock crawling and go fast. Do a little rock racing, maybe some trail running with it. Looking forward. Even though this is the 12 turn, I'm gonna get an 8 turn Crawlmaster Sport, just because it's cheap. It's like $20. And then maybe in the future, saving up money and getting the Hobbywing. I think it's the Axe System 2800 kV ESC and combo. Probably gonna get that installed, and then I'm definitely gonna put some Treal brass up front, the knuckles. I think some hex wideners, and the steering, um, also brass steering up front. So just want to kind of give you an overview. I probably won't record the building of this because there's plenty of other videos out there, but I'll probably show you the end result. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thanks.